Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel today, and we're going to get straight into this one with this beautiful cut crease look. So the whole vibe of this one, I don't know, I was just playing with makeup, and then I really wanted to do like one of the more traditional kind of cut creases, which is like cut crease that's dark with a shimmery lid, a thick wing, and some lashes. And instead of going with a really dark lipstick that I usually would do, I decided to use a lip balm today because I wanted to give my lips a little break. And so based on that, this is what's coming out. I hope you guys really enjoy this one. Subscribe if you're new, like, comment, whatever you feel like is right for you, and then of course I'm going to see you in just 2 seconds, so we're going to roll that clip for you now. Alright, so let's get started with primer. I'm using a Designer Brands Soothes, Balances, Moisturising Primer, something rather like that, just a little bit center of the face and bringing it out. Now, you may tell everything looks a little different. That is because I'm filming in a new area, and I'm attempting to do this while my daughter sleeps, so that possibly this will make it easier for me instead of getting up either really early or filming really late. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, foundation time. I'm just pairing it with another Designer Brands one. This one is a matte velvet foundation. Just took a couple of pumps on the back of my hand and blending that in. Now, it looks a little light, and that, don't stress about it because this particular foundation actually oxidizes quite a lot. So I wanted to use quite a light foundation just so it can attempt to match really well. So this video is going to be a little bit more of a get ready with me, because like I said before, it's I'm just testing how it works here and how it's going to work with my daughter sleeping. So I am probably also going to do my hair in this video, which is not something that I usually would do. So don't forget to blend out all of the brush streaks. Use the same brushes I just used before and using a bit of concealer. Just a little dot here, a little tiny bit there. A little goes a long way with this product, and a downside though from this concealer is that it dries very quickly. And like I said before, like a lot of the products that I've got right now are very matte. So normal contouring that I would usually do, and good brush. Okay, I had to go off and get my daughter from bed because she woke up, and so if you hear the TV in the background, that is just because I popped a movie on for her. But carrying on from where I was, I am contouring cheeks, temples here, in the hairline, into the forehead. That's what it's called. Okay, same bronzing, this one up here, as I always would. my Maybelline blush, apparently the Master Highlight one. Sorry, I had hair tickle in my face. And then I don't even bring it too low. Just patting it up here for that slightly lifted face look. I do apologise if this side looks a little bit muddy. Either it is, and whoopsies, or it's because I have another window over there that's, you know, portraying a little bit more light. Going back in with that concealer for prepping the eyeshadow. Just a small amount, because a little goes a long way, which I've already said. Using my Naked palette, first shade I'm going to use is literally called Naked, this one here. Big fluffy brush. And I'm going to start blending this into the crease, just tap off any excess. Going with a smaller brush, still a blending type brush, and I'm going to use the shade Buck. Same in that crease area. So I'm bringing it right in here towards my nose, and then pulling it out, because I think I'm going to do a slight cut crease look, but I've got to bring the colours up a bit higher because of my hood. I want to lift it up a little higher so my eyes are open, you can see it better. Definitely winging that out. And then using that original brush to soften the edges. Now I'm just going to go in with another smaller brush. This one's more like a shadow brush, but I want to go in with the shade Creep, that one, second from the end. Tapping off excess as usual, and then again in that crease area there, I just want to deepen it up. That's how it's looking now, so just to warn you, I'm not worried about how messy it looks under here because we're going to be cutting that out with micellar water and concealer. Just want to make sure this blends out fairly nicely. Going in with this big original blending brush to soften the edges there on the top. Now is when we're going to use some micellar water, cotton tip, to clean up the crease. Prep again with concealer onto the eyelids. So with the Naked palette again, it's basically the only palette we're using. I think we're going to start off with this shade here. It's called Sin, second one in. I want to start placing that on the inner side of this eye first. So I've just put that over the first half of the eye, stopping at about where your iris is. Going to use the shade Toasted now. So patting that where the last colour ended. Bringing it out to join to that outer edge. Can't see it too well. So I'm just lightly packing or tapping the brush, where those two colours meet, so it's not so harsh. There's no like line there. Okay, I'm going to stamp on wings because they're the easiest thing ever and it's going to save you so much time. Using my Quick Flick stamping eyeliner, I'm using the grand size. Let's do it. So what I will do is stamp, and then while it's still pressed onto the skin, pull it into the eye because it already will fill in some of that area, so you don't have to do it. And it will save you extra time. That's how it's looking so far, but we're going to make it look even better. Okay, so this is where we're at, and I'm going to pop off screen to do my eyebrows and lashes, and then we'll be back to finish it up. Alright, so now I'm back with the eyelashes all done. I'm going to do the lips. I'm just using a tinted lip balm. So this one's more of a purple shade. This is just an Aldi brand, so you can only really buy it in store. Okay, so now this is the final look. Was supposed to be a bit more of a get ready with me doing my hair and everything, but to be honest, I didn't want to add heat to my hair, as I just said before. So ponytail it is, and I'm not going anywhere, so this look is primarily just what I'm going to be wearing at home today, if I'm going to be 100% honest. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that, and then I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. So I'll see you soon. Bye.